In front of me is OUKITEL WP23, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Following that, select App Settings at the top. Click on Most Recent and tap on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Now just click on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on by hitting the same now gray sweater. If you want to, you can always just tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!